Good morning. Let us go to the next article. Binary to decimal conversion of numbers. Conversion of binary to decimal numbers. Again, there are two methods, sum of weight method and nested multiplication method. Let us first go for sum of weight method. Sum of weight method. Whenever you are given binary numbers, we know that every bit in the given binary number has a certain position value. So multiply that bit by its position value. Do it for all the bits and add all them together. That will give us corresponding decimal number. Let us consider a binary number. We can consider any. And you are asked to convert it into decimal. So just like this. What is weight of this? 2 to the power 0, that is 1. Weight of this 2 to the power 1, that is 2. Weight of this 2 to the power 2, that is 4. Weight of this 8. Weight of this is 16. Cancel the weight corresponding to 0 bit. 0 bit is here. Cancel this weight. Add these together. 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 16, 26 plus 1, 27. This is corresponding to 27 in decimal. It's so simple. Let us go for some other example. 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1. Find this in decimal. 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1. Write weights of each bit. Start from LSB. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128, 256. Cancel the weights corresponding to 0 bits. 0, 0, 0. These weights are cancelled. And now 64 plus 4, 68, 70, 71, 71, 256, 7 plus 8, 15, 5, carry 1, 10 plus 5, 15, carry 1, 455. This is 455 in decimal. Let us go for two more examples and then we shall go to other method. 1 1 1 1. Radix point 1 1 0. Weight of this 1, weight of this 2, weight of this 4, weight of this 8, weight of this 1 by 2, that is 0.5. Weight of this 1 by 4, 0.25. Weight of position corresponding to 0 bit, it simply cancelled out. Don't go by. Add this 2 plus 8 10 plus 5 15 point 0.5 0.25 0.7. So this binary is equivalent to this decimal. Let us go for one more. Write the bits. Radix point. Weight of this is 1, this is 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. Weight of this is 0.5, 0.25, and weight of this is further half of this 0.125. Cancel the weights corresponding to 0 bits. Cancel, 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 cancel. 32 plus 8, 40, 40 plus 2, 42. Point 625. So this binary in decimal is this much, 42.625. Very simple. So this way, using some of weight method, we can convert any binary number into its equivalent decimal form. Now let us go for the other method, nested multiplication method. Nested multiplication method. So how to use this nested multiplication method for conversion of binary numbers to decimal numbers? Let me first tell you the procedure. Let us suppose that you are given a binary number and you have to convert this to equivalent decimal using nested multiplication method. Start with the MSB, most significant bit. Write MSB as it is. Okay, then multiply this MSB by radix of binary and add second MSB. Take this as M1. Then multiply this M1 again by radix of binary and add the next MSB. Continue this till you reach to the LSB. You will get equivalent decimal of given binary number. For example, you can have any any binary number. This is given binary number. You are asked to find its decimal equivalent using nested multiplication method. MSB is this, right? MSB 1. Then 1 into 2 plus second MSB. Second MSB is 1. Is equal to 1 into 2, 2 plus 1, 3. This is M1. Then 3 into 2 plus next MSB 0. It is 6. M2. 6 into 2 plus next MSB again 0. It is 12. M3. 12 into 2 plus next MSB 1. It is 25. M4. 25 into 2 into next lower position bit. It is 1. It is 51. M5. 51 into 2 plus next lower position bit 0. 102. M6. And last one, 102 into 2 plus the LSB, that is 0. It is equal to 204 M7. And answer of this is simply 204 in decimal. You can verify this. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128. This is 8 plus 4, 12, 132 plus 60, 192, 196, 204. Correct. So using nested multiplication method, we have converted this binary to equivalent decimal. Let us go to all the examples. MSB 1, note it down. Multiply this MSB by 2, add second MSB. 2 plus 1, 3. Yeah, 1. 3 into 2 plus next one. Next bit is 1. 3 2s are 6 plus 1, 7. Yeah, 2. 7 into 2 plus next bit 0. 14 M3. 14 into 2 plus next bit 0. 28 M4. 28 into 2 plus next bit, and this is 57. M5. 57 into 2 plus last bit LSB, and that is 114 plus 1, 115. So this number should be 115. 15 in decimal. This is second example. Let us go for one more and then we shall go for the fractional part. MSB into 2 plus next bit 3 1 3 into 2 plus next bit again 1 7 into 2 plus next bit 0, it is 14 into 2 plus next bit 0, 28 4, 28 into 2 plus next bit 57 5, 57 into 2 plus next bit 115 6, 2 are still left. 115 into 2 plus next bit, it will be 231 7, and last one 231 into 2 plus last bit 262 plus 462 plus 1, it is 463 and 8. So this should be 463 in decimal. Even you can confirm this by keeping values of weights of these bits and add them together. 463. So this way we can convert integral binary to integral decimal using nested multiplication method. What about fractional binary? Let us try to convert fractional binary into fractional decimal. Let us suppose that this is the fractional binary given and you are asked to convert this to equivalent decimal. Here we have to start with LSB. In integral part we started with MSB. Here we shall start with LSB. Divide LSB by 2 and add second LSB. Note it. Then divide this by 2 and add next bit. We have to move from lower position to higher positions. What is LSB here? 0 divided by 2 plus next bit 1, that is equal to 0 by 2 is 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 divided by 2 plus next bit 1 by 2 is 0.5, 0.5 plus 1, 1.5. 2. bits in the fractional part are consumed in these calculations. No more bit is present in the fractional part. Divide this further by 2. It will be 0.75 M3. So this is 0.75 in decimal. 0.110 in the binary is 0.75 in decimal. Let us go for some other example. 0.1101. Convert this to decimal. Let us start from LSB. LSB is equal to 1 divided by 2 plus second LSB, that is simply 0.5. You may note this as M1. Now this 0.5 divided by 2 plus next, that is 1, that is equal to 1.25 M2. 1.25 divided by 2 plus next one, this one, and this is what 6.25. Yes, and this is 1.625 M3. 1.625 divided by 2 plus the last bit, and this is 1 point. 1.6 divided by 2.8, and this is 125. 8125. Divide this further by 1.8125 divided by 2 is equal to, this is 0.9, then 0.6. So this is approximately 0.9062 in decimal. This way we can convert given binary numbers into its equivalent decimal, integral part as well as fractional part. Here we have discussed two methods for this conversion: sum of weight method and the nested multiplication method. In the next lecture we shall go for other methods. Thank you.